Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For this meeting, Uzaza will continue our matter about the parts of the plant, and this is the special explanation about the part leaves and roots. And leaves, you can see that picture. Leaves makes food for plants, based on our explanation in the last meeting about the function of leaves for make it the food by photosynthesis. But as we know, leaves have some shapes, colors, edge, and texture. Look at the picture. This is the different shapes. This is have so many shapes. You can see. Look at this is have like this is have maybe the roots like the strike, like the cycle. And then this is the different colors. This is have red, green, and violet, and many colors. And then this is the different age. This is the have the like fingers, love, and the turp, lancip, and the cycle. And then this is the different texture. Maybe this is the have the texture rock, smooth or shiny maybe, yeah. This is the leaves, so the leaves have some many the difference based on the shapes, colors, edge, and the texture. Okay, we move to the flowers. The flowers not all plants bear flowers. Plants that bear flowers are flowering plants. Flowers help plants reproduce. And for take it the for result the new individual, so the flowers must be reproduced. And then the flowers have different shapes, size, and color also like the leaves, yeah. And this is the distinguish or difference of the flowers of mango and then the flowers of water lily. This is we can see the difference. In the yellow is the flowers of mango trees or small and pale yellow, and then the flowers of water lily plants are large and bright pink. Yes, you can see the difference if you ever seen. This is the bud of the flowers. And then this is the special for roots. Roots hold plants firmly to the ground. Look at the plants. They stand tall even when there is a heavy rain or strong wind. This is because they are rooted to the ground. So because this is the if the plant have the roots in the water, in the soil or in the ground, it's so very strong, yeah. And then trees have long thick roots. The roots can grow deep into the soil and spread out. This hold them firmly to the ground. Some plants such as small weeds have short thin roots. This makes them easy to pull out. Okay, this is the main that is that have a difference of the roots. Some plants maybe have the plants is so very thick roots or it's so very strong. We can pull. And then in other the plants have the roots, it's so easy if we wanna pull, and because the have the thin roots or the roots it's so not strong and that strong, yeah. And then for another, roots also absorb or take in the water from the soil. What happens if plants are grown into the little soil? Yes. What is the if the roots have little soil, so the roots absorb the salt mineral salts from the water in the soil. Mineral salts help plants grow healthy, yeah? So the roots must be have many soil, like the if we connect with in our life, if the plants is can or not have the enough soil, that can die because they is not getting the mineral from the soil. So the this is the cause why we must be take it the fertilizer for the plants like this. Are you giving the plant food? No, rats. Fertilizer contain mineral salt, not food. Okay, it's good. So we not give food for plants, but we give minerals for plants. We not give a food, but the plants take a mineral or salt. Okay, this is the example. Maybe the roots grow in the air. For the example, this is the if the orchid plant or anggrek, and then this the roots grow in water like tuka or water plant, like that. And then this is the some of the root store food because we can eat. Have you eaten any them like radish, carrot, beetroot and sweet potato? This is the example for roots that store food yang bisa menyimpan cadangan makanan like umbi-umbian ya. This is the store food and then the storage in the roots. I think that is my explanation from Ustazah ya. This is the about the roots. And then this is the explanation continue about the roots. Okay, this is the example of the water plants because the most of plant have the roots in the soil, but this is the example for the plant have the roots in the water. And then you can see that this is the water letuka, and then have the roots in the water. Okay, and then Ustazah wanna show the video. Nah, this is the water plant like that. And then like the most of that plant, this is the water plant have the thick tip for the keep the evaporation or penguapan. And then like the general of plant, the roots just take water from the water, not take it the food from the water, not because the plant can make it the food by ourselves. So the water plant also make it the food, and then it's not take it water or take it the food from the water ya. The plants or water plant just take it the water in the water ya. Okay, maybe just that for the explanation about the roots. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.